officers arrive on scene, they begin to investigate the call for service. They observed a spent shell casing on the ground outside of the caller's home and observed evidence of a disturbance at the front of the house. At this point, the observation of officers on scene are consistent with the information from the 911 caller.
What is going on out here?
I'm not sure. There's a shell casing on your front porch right here, though. Was all this stuff like this? Your plants and stuff?
No.
Okay. Stay in the house for me for a second.
As they continue to investigate, officers hear loud yelling coming from a neighboring residence. As they begin to make their way towards this second residence, the homeowner of the second residence approaches officers and reports that someone, who he does not know, is on his back porch.
Police, let me see your hands. It's the police. Come out into the open so I can see your hands.
Officers establish a position of cover and locate Mr. Williams standing on the back porch of the residence. For several minutes, officers attempt to de-escalate and establish communication with Mr. Williams, clear the rear of the structure. Mr. Williams is showing signs of paranoia, appears confused, and is showing signs of violence towards objects that are on the porch. For several minutes, officers attempt to establish communication with Mr. Williams. At no point does Mr. Williams acknowledge their presence and doesn't stop yelling and continues his erratic actions. Several minutes of attempts to establish communication with Mr. Williams with no successful return on his part. Officers are finally able to see that Mr. Williams doesn't have anything in his hands. Only a few seconds pass after officers determined that there's nothing in his hands. Officers observe Mr. Williams attempt to make entry into the rear of the residence.
Headquarters, you can start medic and stage him.
Hey, ever go with like a excited delirium or something like that, Tim?
Yeah.
At this point, officers are unsure if the residence is occupied or not, which in North Carolina constitutes a burglary. Officers at that point have a duty to act and prevent Mr. Williams from making entry into that residence. At that point, officers move forward, make contact with Mr. Williams, utilize a two-person takedown, and place Mr. Williams on his stomach, then place him into handcuffs. From the time they made contact with Mr. Williams, it took officers just over 20 seconds to place Mr. Williams in handcuffs. Once in handcuffs, he was only on his stomach for approximately 5 seconds before they rolled Mr. Williams on his side.
Come here, sir. Let's clear this fanny pack.
Yep.
Hey, Tim, I got
Okay. All right. Hey, sir, you're good. You're good. Just relax. Take some deep breaths for us, okay? Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Okay.
Fanny pack's clear.
Okay.
Add me these numbers. We got one detained. Go ahead and roll medic, please. Seems secure.
You're good. You're good. Hey, you're good. You're good. You're good. Relax. Just take deep breaths for me, bro. We're here to help you, all right? Just take some deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth, all right?
You want to sit him up?
Okay?
No.
Yeah, he's stiffening up like a board.
Just
Make sure his airway's clear. We'll keep him in this position.
Swipe his front. Get a good swipe.
During the duration of the encounter, at no point did officers punch, kick, tase, utilize. Officers have to roll Mr. Williams back to his stomach and able to complete a thorough search of his right side to ensure a weapon is not present. Again, it's important to note there are several indications that a weapon is present and has been fired on scene. That weapon at this point is still unaccounted for. Officers then proceed to search Mr. Williams' person to try to locate the weapon. Mr. Williams is wearing multiple layers of clothing, which makes the search time-consuming.
Just find it. You gotta go in there.
Can you tell us what you took?
Once the search of Mr. Williams is complete, officers put Mr. Williams back on his side to better give him the ability to breathe. Officers continue to try to establish communication with Mr. Williams, talk with Mr. Williams, and calm Mr. Williams down. Officers do keep hands in positive control of Mr. Williams in an attempt to keep him from flailing and further injuring himself by banging his head on the floor or hitting his head on the side of the residence.
Or are uncooperative. This allows the officers to control the subject's movements so as not to allow for further injury to the subject or to officers.
Don't fight us. You're all right. You're good. You're all right.
You're all right, man.
You're all right. We'll get you up in a second. What's his first name?
Jovontay, man, we got the ambulance on the way for you, all right? Yeah, we're going to help you up as soon as the ambulance gets here, okay? We'll help you up in a second. We got to wait for an ambulance to get here.
Did you get a good sweep over here? Not even on this corner, wherever he was laying. On the back side of the. Okay. We'll sweep for it here. Jovontay, we'll get you up here in a second. We'll get you up here in a minute.
Oh, God, bro. What you doing this? What you do? Oh, Jack, come here. Please. God damn. Yeah, this shit ain't screw. Oh.
Anybody talk to the homeowner yet? Yeah, Morrison did. They don't recognize him.
Yeah, you doing that. You doing a whole lot, bro. God damn. Knock that nigga off. Knock that nigga off. Oh, that's like this. Yeah, you good, man. Let me go. God damn. Ah.
You good, bro?
Come on, bro. Yeah. I'm about to die. Yeah, about to die.
They're looking.
Oh, bro, get off. God. This is abuse. I'm about to die, bro. That's what I got about to die. I feel lightheaded. Yeah, I feel lightheaded. Oh my God, I feel lightheaded, bro. Bro, I feel lightheaded. God damn. Here. Here, nigga. Oh God. You know you in there. Yeah, we for real. God damn. Yeah, bro, for real? Yeah. Oh, John. Yeah, please. Please, John. I'm about to die. I'm seeing double. I'm seeing double. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm seeing double. Nigga! Nigga! I got double. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This thing here don't even do that. Yeah, you dead wrong, Fish. You wrong. Come on, this shit hurt. Ah! Yeah. All right, come on. Let's swap out. There you go. There you go. No, nigga, swap out. Oh. Got nigga about to die, bro. Got about to die, bro.
No one knows him. He's been out trying to get in the house, stuff like that. Evidence of drug use, possible delirium going on.
You got a good brother. You not.
He's got some blood on his shirt, but
Bro.
I don't think it's from
I'm seeing Daisy. Bro, I'm seeing Daisy. Get the fuck off. John, if I die, it's on you. This is on you, bro. You really did that shit. You really did that shit. Get off me.
Hey, what's going on? What's your name, man?
I'm tired. You.
Yeah, you heard it all?
Damn.
Or you heard it all?
Bro, you a dirty nigga, bro. You put his feelings in the way. Let me go, bro.
You heard it
I'm
all?
breathing, bro. Zaya, when I get up, I'm punching. I'll punch the fuck out of you. All right? Don't let me up. Boys. Bro, I'm seeing doubles. I'm seeing doubles. Mike, Zaya, hit that nigga. Hit that nigga, Zaya, huh? Hit that nigga. Hit that nigga. Fuck that nigga. You do you like that? Oh, I'm seeing doubles. I'm seeing doubles.
We tried to look for injuries on him, and
We didn't see any injuries.
yeah, there's blood spatter on the front of his shirt here, but
Yeah, it's just some droppings.
yeah.
Oh, hurry up. Hurry up. Stay dizzy. Help me out. God damn, Zion. This shit gave you. Oh, if I die, bro, something. If I die, it's you, bro.
Good right now.
No, if you die, it's you. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh.
Yeah, moving back from the wall.
Oh. Leon, what are you doing? I can't breathe.
You can.
I can't breathe. No, I'm not. It's right here. Hit that nigga. Hit that nigga. Hit that nigga. Oh, God, Leon. I can't breathe. Oh, my God. Oh, 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 yeah. Hey, get him up. I'm asking, please. 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 No. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, God.
There's where the blood's coming from. Just a little cut on his hand. Just perfect little dots. Touching himself. Dabbing it. Like you punch something. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, man. Let me get up. Yeah, let me real. Oh, God. Oh, God. You got it. You got it. You beat down. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. Yeah, stop! Oh, my God. This ain't cool.
You good, Greg?
Yeah. No.
It's for everyone's safety. That's why he's in handcuffs.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh,
Yeah, we cleared that. It's fine.
I was trying to get it out.
Oh, God.
It's pink. Yeah, it's
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. At least the weapons first go in the bag. I didn't go in there.
Alright, that's good to go up.
Where do you need me to grab?
Okay.
Mr. Williams was transported by medic to a nearby hospital